Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Informant. If you are new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, education, placement drives and many more. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, please do hit that red button so that you get latest notifications first on your screen. So as you all can see, our today's topic is about how to claim or use Accenture reward points. Yes, you heard it right. So Accenture annually gives 5,000 reward points, which is equivalent to 5,000 rupees. So first of all, I hope you all know reward points. And for those who don't know what are these reward points, so Accenture gives every year these reward points. So you can use them in various way. Like it's like for well-being, like health and financial well-being. So there are like various sites where you can purchase this passes, use this reward points. For example, you can see on your screen I have shown for the wellness corner, fit pass, cult fit and medibuddy. So these are few examples, but later on in the video we'll be discussing each and everything, so where all you can use this 5,000 rupees, how to claim that voucher, and how to, in case you want to purchase a product, or if you want to consult a doctor, if you want to take some lab tests. So there are many options in this reward point, so many of you will be not knowing. Few will be just using Wellness Corner, or few will be just using, Cult Fit. So we'll discuss each and everything, A to Z, and I hope so. After watching this video, you'll not have any doubts related to Accenture reward points. So let's start our today's video. First of all, steps how to do. So this I'll show you manually. These steps are very common. First of all, you need to log in into Accenture Benefits for You portal. So you can get, in portal.accenture.com. In that portal, you can get all the Accenture links. There you need to find the Benefits for You link, or you can ask your colleagues if they have the Benefits for You link. So after getting that link, you need to log on into that portal. There you can see now, as of now, you can see you'll be having a wallet, and there you'll be having 5,000 reward points in your wallet. That also I'll be showing you later on. So as I told you initially in the video, those 5,000 points are equivalent to 5,000 rupees, right? So first of all, if you come into the home page of that, benefits for you portal, there are four options available. One is family care, second is financial well-being, third is fitness and wellness, and fourth is OPD coverage. So we'll be seeing one by one what are these four options, and how can what benefits you can get from these separate four options. So first of all, if you go into that family care option, you can find few options like Samvedana Senior Care and Potia Heal at Home. So what is Samvedana Senior Care? It is like well-being for senior citizen and kids. They provide happiness curriculums, etc., for senior citizens and kids to improve their lives basically. And Portia Heal at Home, it's like doctor appointment at home, similar to this one. So if you are interested, for you and your family, if you are interested into this thing, you're in need of this thing, you can, consider family care option. And later on, now just, keep in mind all the options available. First, we'll see the options. Then how to purchase this option, I'll show you at the end. Okay, not at the end, in middle of this video itself. So first of all, now we are clear with Samvedna and Portia. This comes under family care. There are several other options which you can explore in your site. Second is financial well-being. In financial well-being, you can find options like, tax spanner and assured gain. So what is tax spanner? For example, simple example, if I can say, if you're filing income tax or any tax related issues, income tax or anything, they can help you with that. So they have subscription, you can buy that. And assured gain is nothing but investments like, mutual funds, stock market, and other investments. So they will, guide you where you can invest your money and grow money. So if you are, in need of financial well-being and you don't want health, and you can go for this option. All have different priorities. You can select wisely. Next is fitness and wellness. As the name suggests, fitness and wellness, they have like reputed, fitness companies associated with them like FitPass, Cult Fit, and Healthify Me. So if I tell you the idea of Cult Fit, as you all know, for we don't get for 5,000 we don't get Cult Fit premium, sorry, Gulfit membership. I'm not talking about the monthly membership, about the annual ones. So they have those packages in this thing. In Gulfit, they have like, I guess, 15,000, 12,000, and 8,000 packages. So for 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. So if you want, you can buy those packages. Like 5,000 will get deducted from your rewards points, and rest of the amount you need to pay via card or UPI anything, but you need to pay that. For example, you 15,000 or 12,000 is the annual membership of Cultfit, just for example. Then 5,000 will be paid by this reward points. Then rest of the this thing 8,000, 8 to 7,000 you need to pay. I hope you understood. And same goes with FitPass and Healthify Me. In FitPass and Healthify Me, I guess you can find some cheaper options as well. So you can, go into the site and read the conditions and you can buy accordingly what you want. Because few Cuddle Fit memberships, they have only online with Zumba and online training. And if you go to the expensive packages, they have like in person where you can go to gym actually. So those things are there you need to consider. And last is the OPD coverage in this wellness corner, like the most used, I guess, in this portal. So ma many 90 to 99% of you use corner itself and other these things like MediBuddy. So in wellness corner, you have various all the options which I told you about, except financial well-being. You have those lab test, OPD coverage, and fitness related options are also there. I'll be showing you the demo of wellness corner next step. So I hope you got till now. So these 4 points and these four companies are associated for example. And now next we'll be seeing the example for Wellness Corner. Now assume that you want to purchase the package of Wellness Corner. You want to use your 5,000 inside Wellness Corner. So you ask me how to do this. So I'll show you the step. So first of all, note this. Last date to claim this is 31st March 2024. So you have approximately 11 days. So you need to claim it soon. Now next is example how to buy any of these plans. So if you go into the portal, you can see over here, this is the example for wellness corner. So you have three packages over here. One is the standard package, the another one is the silver package, and the other one, last one is the gold package. As you can see, 5,000, 4,200 and 3,150 respectively. Now, as we all know, we have 5,000 this points, right? So assume I want to buy this 5,000 gold package. So I want to use complete 5,000 inside my wellness corner. So I just add, as you add in the cart, like in Flipkart or Amazon, just add this thing 5,000 package, and next you can see buy for 5,000 rupees. If you have points actually there in the right side here in the wallet where it is showing zero, it will be showing 5,000, and you don't need to pay anything. So it will be, you'll get this 5,000 voucher for free. Since here is not having those 5,000 points, it's showing to pay. Next, you can see here total payable amount. Payable amount is 5,000 over here. But as you can see, recognized points to benefits for your portal available is 0 points. Since zero recognized points are available, it's showing us to pay 5,000 rupees. If you actually have this 5,000 points, it will show pay zero and you can, directly get the voucher. I hope you are clear with this, right? You need to go select your, required package. This is example for Wellness Corner. For other also for Cult, FitPass or anything financial financial well-being part, anything you want to buy, you need to follow this itself. Okay, you need to buy. After buy, you'll get a voucher where you'll get a code and you can apply in the respective app. For example, in the CultFit app or the Wellness Corner app, you need to go into that Wellness Corner app and you'll see the demo process for Wellness Corner. As you can see over here above, it's showing wallet balance is 2,478 rupees. So here it will show 5,000 instead of this amount, it will show 5,000, and here you can see various options are available. Health checks, diagnostic centers, medicines and pharmacy, wellness store, nutrition, etc. You can see over here on the screen. Pause and see. Various options are available. So the most popular option last year was medicines and pharmacy. Inside medicines and pharmacy, as you can see over here, categories nutritional drinks, 1 mg product, healthcare devices, vitamins, and etc. Here, there were many options last year where you could actually order dry fruits like almonds and etc. And you can order ghee like home products where like it was like just like a supermarket like where many of the home products were available like face wash etc. So many of the things were available, but this year they have filtered out everything. And in this thing, pharmacy and medicines, in medicines part, you can buy almost all the medicines available, not an issue. And any of the medicines for your parents or this thing, it will get ordered from Tata 1mg. And in this thing, the other part, the nutritional drinks part, and this thing, I'll show you what all you can order, for example. Here you can see in the homeopathy part, like there are many things available related to homeopathy, and in elderly care, same. large diapers and fish liver oil. And here vitamins and supplements, you can see, men vitamin and all those things related to vitamins and supplements. And next is health devices. You can see sugar check, BP check devices. In nutritional drinks, you can find many good things like ensure, diabetic. If you have any grandparents, you can order for them. And in 1 mg health products, you get some general products. So these are the only things you could buy. And trust me, like this is one of the best option available. You can buy at least something other than medicines and lab tests and doctor consultations, as far as I observed. Because in other things, it is not that worth. Here, at least you'll get things which are worth it. Something you can order for 5,000 where you can make it worth. And I think you can order those smartwatches as well for 5 thing. The quality will be not that good, but still, if you want it, you can order it. And finally, this is example like you ordered something for you have added for 276, and while paying, see you can see my wallet balance. Inside my wallet balance, you can type 276 you want to use from wallet, and if you continue, you'll not need to pay anything, and it will get ordered directly through Tata 1mg or some other this thing. And you'll get a mail to your registered mail address like, okay, your order is successful, and later on normal process you can track everything, and it will get delivered to you. I hope you guys are clear with this process. I know it took a bit time to complete this video, but I wanted to make, a detailed video where you can understand A to Z process. So I hope you guys are clear. And in case if you have any doubts, please feel free, to drop down in the comment section. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our today's video. If you find it informative, please do like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned. Thank you.